So here we have our battery that we want to connect to the Daily Diary, and we are going to use these connectors actually to connect both on that side the A cell, which is for the Daily Diary, and on that side the D cell, which is for the GPS. So now we are going to work with those wires. In order to connect them to the battery, we are going to first put some copper on the battery tabs. So to do this, we start by putting a little bit of paste on the tabs. And then you come with your soldering iron and your copper. Okay, that's enough. Same on the other side. Good. If you struggle to put copper on the tab, just have a break and let the tabs cool down again in order to not overheat the battery, because your soldering iron is really hot, obviously. And you don't want to overheat your battery because you're going to lose power actually from the battery if you do that. And then you want your connectors. So black is going on the negative side of the battery, red is going on the positive side of the battery. So you want to connect this that way. That's good. And because we are going to fold the tabs that way and run these wires this way, we are actually going to connect the red wire in the opposite way around that the black wire. So not like this, because you'll see that otherwise you're just creating a lot of torsion in your wires, but like this. So let's go. Bring the tab up again. Oops. Just let me show you. Actually, this is something that may happen to you when you are soldering, and you don't want this to happen. You really want all your wires to be all together. So just bring them back. Because if they are not all together, your connection is going to be weak, and you may have problems at some point during the deployment of your tags. And that's it.